In this video, you will see how to change page color in LibreOffice Writer. To change the background color, you need to right click outside the LibreOffice page, and here you will see the option of page style. After clicking on this option, you will see this window. Now you need to click on the area tab, and here you can go to colors option. Here you will see different colors. You can select any color of your choice. For example, this one. You can see the preview and then click on apply. To change the page background color, you can go to the gradient tab as well and select the gradient, for example this one, and then click on apply to apply the gradient to the LibreOffice Writer page. If you go to the image option, you will be able to select the image that are available here, but if you want to add your own image, just click on add, select the picture and then click on open, give the name and click on OK, and select the option stretched if you want a single image to appear on all the pages. If you go to the pattern, you can select different patterns here, for example the red one, and then after applying, the pattern will appear. Similarly, you can go to the hatch option and select the hatch according to your need as well. In case you want to remove all the background changes you have done, you just have to select the option none and then click on apply to remove page color in LibreOffice Writer. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about document formatting in LibreOffice Writer. See you again in the next one.